Hey guys, it's Sarah. Today I thought I would do a clean with me video tackling my makeup vanity area because it is in a state right now. Like, there's just stuff everywhere. I've got a ton of different sunscreen things that I'm trying out right now for a couple of different videos. Boxes of stuff that I've already opened. I need to just like take everything out, put it where it belongs, recycle the boxes, and like move on. I don't know why I'm just letting these boxes sit here. Brushes are on the floor because there's no room for them up here. My little cart over here has stuff in it that needs to be put away. So I thought I would film the process of me cleaning everything and just putting everything away and organizing because I enjoy making these kinds of videos. You guys seem to enjoy them too. I've done several different like clean with me videos and like organization videos on my channel, so I'll link that whole playlist if you're wanting more motivation after you watch this. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to it because I am tired of this mess. So I did an e.l.f. haul on my channel last week, and for some reason this box is still sitting here with quite a few of the things still in it, which is silly. So I'm gonna take everything and break down things like this that can be recycled. And I went ahead and got a bag, just a grocery bag to use to put all the recyclables in. And I also went ahead and got a bag for trash. Does anybody know if these little like plastic things can be recycled? They don't have a number on them, so I don't want to assume that they can be. So I know the phrase like when in doubt throw it out, because you don't want to accidentally put something non-recyclable into your recycle bin. Yeah, I'm just gonna play it safe and throw it out, but because I know if you, in most areas, if you put something non-recyclable into the recycle bin, sometimes it can like contaminate the whole bin and they end up just throwing everything away, which I would hate for that to happen. So that's why when I'm in doubt, I'll just put something in the trash because I feel like that's a little bit safer. But anyway, sorry. Side note. A lot of products have been coming in lately because I've got another face sunscreen video in the works. I placed this e.l.f. order, so just a lot of packaging that just needs to be sorted through. And I need to start another pile for things that I'm gonna be sending off to Project Beauty Share and donating, because like this was like an extra blush that e.l.f. accidentally included in my order. They sent me two of the exact same blush. So things like this I'm gonna be saving up in a separate little box to send off to Project Beauty Share sometime. So I need to start a little pile for that. This box for collecting things to send to Project Beauty Share, because it's, I mean, I think it's a good size for that. Start that there. And then I also have, in this drawer, I have a bunch of stuff that I decided to declutter that I just threw in here. But some of these things I'll be sending to Project Beauty Share, like these two things. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in there, and anything that can be sent off to them. There's my recycle pile so far. Then I have another thing, and that is I'm saving my makeup empties again this year. I did that last year too, because at the end of the year I want to do another like 2020 makeup empties video of all the products I used up this year. And so I need a place to store these because I don't currently have a bin or anything for those. So I may actually reuse this e.l.f. box for that. I'm gonna take off the little like side flaps to make this into more of a bin. Ooh, they come up nice and easily. Cool. So yeah, pro tip, no need to go out and buy storage bins when you can just reuse boxes like this, because it's actually the perfect size for what I need. So far those are the only makeup empties I have in here, but I'm sure it will grow. This box may even be bigger than it needs to be, but I can always reuse this for something else too. So now I need to put away all of this stuff that's just sitting out on the surface here into, I promise I'm wearing shorts, by the way. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm gonna go ahead and put all the things that are just sitting out here back where they belong in my makeup drawers. So I'll probably speed this part up. This cart where I'll just kind of put things that I'm filming with, and then I bring them over to my filming area and then back over here. So this stuff also needs to go back into its home. This notebook. This is where I keep track of my Project Pan usage. So this definitely needs to stay somewhere on my vanity. Try to remember to tally it. Alright, this is my hoard of various sunscreen products, all of which are going to be working their way into a review video soon. And I'm trying to figure out where to put all of them. So I ended up moving some of those things from here to my bathroom counter. So not that big of an improvement, but it works for now. That's just kind of the name of the game when you're testing out a bunch of products to review. It can get overwhelming. Once I review them, some of them can go into like my bathroom closet until I actually need to use them. But I just put a few of those things here for now. I've got this Spare Republic mineral sunscreen. It's for the body. The Supergoop hand screen, I actually may keep this over there on my desk because my desk is right in front of the window, so while I'm working there throughout the day, I feel like I need to be wearing sunscreen, especially on my hands. Then I have the Pacifica Matte Sheer Setting Mist with SPF 45. I've got the Pacifica SPF Lip Balm that I use almost daily. Then the Pacifica Rose Gold Glow Mineral Sunscreen. And then my perfume. So it's kind of more than I would like to have sitting out on my vanity, but it works for now. But yeah, that's really not too bad, actually. Not bad at all. And I can even put this notebook right here so that it has its own little spot. And yeah, I'm gonna put this SPF hand cream on my desk, actually. These two boxes, I'm gonna put my Makeup Empties box in my closet that's in this room, and then this, I think, my donate box will go into my hall closet. And I also have a place where I'm hoarding things like this bubble wrap to take to the plastic film recycling. I feel like this is turning into a recycling tips video, but most city recycling programs, like roadside pickup type things or dumpsters that you might have in your apartment complex, whatever, don't take things like this. This and bubble wrap, plastic bags, any kind of plastic film, even if it has a recycling symbol on it, most places don't take that unless they explicitly say that they do. In most places it can actually mess with like the recycling machinery and like get caught in the machines that they use to sort through things. Don't put it in there unless you absolutely know that they take this. And if not, a lot of grocery stores will have a specific bin for plastic film. But look up in your area where you can recycle this kind of thing, just to be sure, because most places actually don't take this. And things like plastic grocery bags too. Most places don't take those either. I'm talking about anything in this kind of category. I also want to tackle this drawer. This is where I've just put a bunch of stuff that I don't know what else to do with. A lot of things that I decided to declutter that I need to hopefully find a new home for. Some of it needs to just be tossed. This drawer doesn't really serve much of a purpose, so I'm thinking I may go ahead and keep things that need to be rehomed in this bin here. Okay, so that's a little better. I went ahead and took out the things that I'm not going to be giving to anyone, things that just need to be thrown away. Or I'm gonna try to figure out how to recycle certain things like this. If there's like a program that'll take them, I need to do some research on that and maybe even do a video on it. But yeah, so I'm gonna try not to throw these into a landfill, but we will see about that. And then some hair clips that I need to put somewhere else, like in my bathroom. So this right here is makeup that I'm gonna try to rehome to somebody, like a friend or family member. Those are things that can't be donated. Here is where I just have some alcohol in a spray bottle and then like a makeup brush spot cleaner and some scissors that I honestly forgot I had. Some spatulas that I use when I'm trying to get product out of almost empty bottles. This I use to like repress things, an extra little sponge holder, and then my brush tree that kind of collapses and I just keep it on top there. So that's that drawer. It's kind of like the catch-all drawer for whatever doesn't have another place to go. This area is looking a whole lot better now. It was kind of a mess earlier, and you know, it really wasn't that bad. Like, I feel like it didn't take me that long to just sort through everything and put everything away. But for some reason, once things start piling up, it's like I get overwhelmed and then I don't want to clean it up, and then it gets worse and worse, and really it doesn't take that long to just put everything away. If I would just do this every day, it would never get cluttered, but for some reason, human brains are just flawed in that they look at a mess and they're like, oh god, like that's gonna be so difficult to tackle, and really it's not that bad. So if you have a little area of your house, your vanity, your bathroom counter, your kitchen junk drawer, whatever, that needs to be organized, and you know you'll feel better when you get it done, this is your reminder to go do that. Just give yourself like 5 minutes, like set a timer for 5 minutes, and then I promise once you get into a groove with it, you'll be done in no time. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little clean with me, organize with me video. I always enjoy doing these videos, so hopefully it got you motivated to clean something in your house. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so that I know you liked it. If you're not already subscribed, I do lots of videos mostly about cruelty-free makeup, so I'd love to see you again very soon in my next video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.